What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be going through my Garmin Livescope Plus settings. I'm using an EchoMap 12 first gen UHD Livescope Plus, obviously LVS 34. First thing I'm going to do, this is in simulator mode. I come in here and I immediately turn my gain to 70. 70 is probably the general sweet spot. I'll turn that higher, lower, with varying conditions. Depth range. This is going to completely depend. I don't keep it at auto. I keep it about 10 to 15 foot past what the depth that I'm fishing in is. Forward range. What we're going to want to do is automatically put that on 100 foot. I will go shorter, farther, depending on the conditions, whether fish are roaming, whatever. Color gain. Color gain is extremely, extremely important. I turn it all the way up to 75. I'll rock it anywhere from 70 to 90. And that's going to, like I said, vary with conditions of the lake. If there's a lot of sediment, if it's clear, those things really matter. Noise reject, we're going to turn off. TVG, we want off. Ghost reject, we want off. When we go to overlay data, these are all very, very specific to what you want, okay? There's nothing right or wrong with these settings. Turn them on as you will. I like the color palette amber, moss, floodlight, lava. Those are good color palettes. Color limit, default, trails off, everything else stock. We go into layout. I turn off grid overlay. Scroll history, hide. Beam icon is what you're going to want to turn off. We do want reverse range at minimum. That's a very important setting as well. It's not allowing the transducer to see farther back behind itself, okay? Mainly focusing on what's in front. One thing I do like to do is I'll turn transmit on and off as I'm pulling the trolling motor up and out of the water. So when I'm not using the unit, I turn transmit off. Installation depth, very important. This is how deep your transducer is. So 2 foot, 3 foot, those are fine. What this is going to do, it's going to allow you to see your bait hit the water a lot better than if it was at 0. But like I said, and I'm not showing it here, that depth range I will keep fixed and I'll adjust that on the fly. Same thing with color gain, like I'm doing here, messing around with it, going up, down, depending on the water conditions. Those are all very important things, guys. If you have any other questions about your Garmin Livescope Plus setup or forward-facing sonar questions, book a virtual meeting at forwardfacingfishing.com.